Now we will have a look at some of the other wireframe objects built into Gendel. These are all built into the base system and do not require surfaces and solids, which are implemented with an outside library. Many mechanical and layout applications really do not require surfaces and solids. Oftentimes these wireframe primitives can be enough. So these wireframe primitives are in the Geom base package, which is available if you're working in GDO user. Wireframes do not support generic intersections, mass properties, parametric evaluation, the things that are typical in a surface and solids geometry environment. So here we have some common primitives, a cylinder, for example, and the wireframe rendering just looks like this. Here's a cone. Notice the cone has an inner radius 1, inner radius 2, and a radius 1 and a radius 2. So that's the radius at either end, and you can have a hollow cone with an inner and an outer radius. A sphere simply has a radius. Spherical cap is specified by a base radius and an axis length. Now this could also be specified as a partial sphere, a sphere with only a partial angle rotation. For some applications it's more convenient to specify the inputs that are accepted by a spherical cap. A torus is like a donut shape, so it has a major radius and a minor radius. The major radius being the radius of the center line arc, the minor radius being the radius of the actual hose of the donut. Global filleted polygon projection is specified in global coordinates. That's why it's called global. It's filleted, meaning that the corners have arcs filleting them out. Radius of the fillet is specified with this default radius, and the projection depth specifies how far it projects in the given direction. And full documentation for these are in YAD, which you can see if you visit localhost 9000 YAD. And here's the Geom base package. And for example, global filleted polygon projection is here, and you can see the example with the code and the rendering.